Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you how I achieved this cute little look. I feel like this look is very pleasant for Valentine's Day. As you guys know, January is ending, February is approaching, and Valentine's Day is right around the corner. If you guys want to recreate this look, you could do that. Make your own. Look cute for Valentine's Day. So without further rambling, let's get into the video. Okay, so starting off with primer, I'm gonna be using the NYX pore filler, and I'm just gonna put that in my T-zone area, and this will blur out my pores and make my face nice and even. And then I'll be going in with foundation, my TooFaced, and then I'm gonna take my beauty sponge and dab that in. Nice even taps all over. You want to get up in your hairline so that you don't have any patches. And everything will be nice and flawless. Okay, so foundation is done. I'm gonna go in with my concealer, and I'm gonna use the same brand, TooFaced, and this is my shade Maple. I don't use a lot of concealer. So under my eyes, my nose. I'm looking scary, but we're gonna blend it out. I'm gonna start with my chin. Nothing there. Just interrupted me.
Like your daughter knows say a bad man she had you.
Tell him say name dreams.
Now we suck up all.
So now I'm gonna go in and contour a little bit. So this is my Maybelline Super Stay Thick Foundation. Can't see it, but this is in the shade 3060 Mocha. It's a little bit darker than me, so I'm gonna use it in contour. Blend it out with my ink brush. So using the darker shades of my contour palette and the same brush I used to blend the contour out, I'm gonna put powder to set that dark area. And the powder just helps it to wear better and longer. So if you're going out and you don't want to sweat out your makeup, you know, you can just set with powder. Now I'm gonna set my highlighted areas with a little bit of translucent powder. Okay, so now that we look scary and ghosty, we're gonna dust away that powder. I don't like to bake because I feel like that gives me a lot of flashback and we don't want that, so I'm just dust away all of that powder right away. And I don't want to look powdery, so I dust that way nice and good. Normally I tie my hair down. I don't know why I didn't. So no baking for me. So now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I like to do my eyebrows after I do my face because I like to get up in my eyebrows when I'm doing contouring and all the work. So if I do my eyebrows first, then I'm gonna mess them up. So I do my eyebrows after. I'm just brushing them up, getting the shape nice and neat. And my eyebrows are naturally arched and really thick, so I don't need to do a lot with it. So I'm using my eyebrow pencil to just define my eyebrows. And I'm just brushing them in the direction that they grow. And I'm just brushing it out so that it doesn't come out harsh. So now I'm gonna set the other portions of my face that I put foundation with my soft focus powder from Black Radiance. Not a lot, just a little bit. Just nice that everything is coated with powder. And that's it. I'm gonna clean up under my brows with concealer. This one is lighter than all the ones I used, but so now I'm gonna move on to eyeshadow. I'm going in with mascara. Touches is setting my face with setting spray. And now for the final step, highlighter. So you will see that. I get so excited. I don't like a lot of highlight, but when I do, okay. I just want to blend it out. And then a little bit under my brow. And that's all I do. I lied. I do my nose too. So here's the finished look, you guys. Do you guys love it? Do you guys like it? Remember, if you want, you can recreate it, make your own, add lashes, because I didn't, but you can always, you know, spice it up a little bit if you want. So yeah, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you like the video. I have a couple of ideas in my head, but I want you guys to also give me suggestions because you guys are watching me, so I want to know what you guys would like to see from me. So yeah, let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.